Welcome to the French Drayman channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I'm your host. I want to show you guys how to use the MarMac couplers. I think they're fantastic. You have these belts. I mean, for one, it's super sticky, so have people there to help you, some extra hands. You're watching my team put together some Baughman 60-inch dual wall, and we're using the MarMac couplers. Look at that. Awesome. So check this out. Get this right. Once you pull that off, man, this stuff is like human flypaper. You'll be stuck to it. You won't find a better fitting for dual wall pipe, period. The MarMac couplers, they're at the top. Everything else is a distant second. Don't even mess with it. I love these things. I endorse them. And this is the only way we're putting together big dual wall culvert pipe from here on out. So I'm going to show you my guys as they pull with the, now those, what you saw, those ratchet straps, they're built into this. This material's indestructible. It's strong. It's insane, the strength of it. And as you can see, I got a few guys working together who have done this before. They're working as a team to get these ratchet straps, and these just stay, by the way. I mean, they're built into these couplers. They're truly amazing. You're not going to get a better connection for dual wall pipe than the MarMac coupling. You're not going to beat it, guys. And then you peel this off, and it's super crazy sticky, and then you put it over your ratchet straps. Done, man. I mean, like, this thing is going to stand the test of time. This is how you do it right the first time, so you don't end up with some sort of failure where you have earth that's coming into your dual wall pipe and it's washing away some earth, and then you have a cave-in or a collapse. And again, this is 60-inch Baughman dual wall pipe. We wanted to make a couple of connections in a controlled environment for a big project that we had. Check it out, man. Look at those ratchet straps. They just fit in between the corrugated ribs of that giant Baughman dual wall 60-inch culvert pipe. And when you work with this stuff, guys, if you haven't worked with the 60-inch, I'm telling you, it's a different animal altogether. So check it out. Check it out as they're working as a team. This is another one. I wanted to show it to you one more time from a different angle. And here we go. Man, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. If you have been using dual wall culvert pipe and installing it with bell and spigot, it sucks. I'm just going to say it. That ain't nothing compared to a MarMac coupler like this. You can't beat it. And I was shocked when I found there was no information on it, so I had to get it out to you. All right, everybody, until that next video. And give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful.